Hans Zimmer
That's just crazy.
and A.R. Rahman. Look at the turban.
Oh wow, change
Changing color.
Oh wow. Our Chaitanyam. Hi and welcome to another episode of Ponane Reacts. And today we have our Navikati back. Yes, New York Claire. This time for real. So she's back now.
Yeah. We are going to watch something larger than life. So we need all hands on deck. We need everyone could react to this.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Everyone react with us.
Come on. It's fine.
React.
No.
React.
Doesn't work like that.
Anyway, okay.
That person might be sitting in a cozy somewhere, just after a masturbation session
Yeah.
at night,
Yeah.
just looking to hang out with his friends.
React like you
Yeah.
can.
Yeah.
So, what are we watching today? Honestly,
Are watching the freaking Ramayana. The Ramayana. They put in a lot of money.
4,000 crores
Yeah.
to be specific.
The only two things I am positive, three things, let's say positive about is that the Ranbir Kapoor, ഏതായാലും പുള്ളി എടുക്കും കർലേഗാ
Ranbir Kapoor has that,
yeah
also has that Ram vibe from that Japanese Ramayana cartoon also, kind of,
Oh, yes.
a little bit.
Yes.
You know the,
Yeah,
like that
actually,
long
yes.
face, right?
Yeah.
So,
He
yeah.
looks it.
He looks it.
Ravan is Yash from KGF. Rocky Bhai.
Excited.
Yeah.
He will eat everything up.
Yeah, I can see that.
And the music is Hans Zimmer
That's just crazy.
and A.R. Rahman.
This is like mad.
Yeah.
It's mad.
Yeah,
Have these guys worked together before?
never.
Never?
Never.
Shit!
Bollywood has tried to bring Hans Zimmer for lot before,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
कुछ ऐसे fix नहीं हुआ. Yeah,
Yeah.
but this is the abhi finally Hans Zimmer was on board.
Damn.
And एक और
You
चीज
know
है,
the music is going to be
इसका-
crazy.
and इसका final
Crazy.
edit is supervised by Christopher Nolan. Yeah.
Wow. So
Yeah.
why 4,000
Yeah.
crore?
Yeah.
That's
So
why.
they put all the money.
Yeah.
Like, all the money
Yeah.
in it.
All the money in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really.
So, but the director is Nitesh Tiwari. Nitesh Tiwari എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ദംഗൽ ദംഗലായിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിലും ഭൂത്നാഥ് റിട്ടേൺസ്.
Oh. Yeah, I do actually.
Yeah. Dangal is a good-
Actually, a very good movie. Yeah.
And Chichori and Chiller Party. Yeah.
I heard.
तो അത് വെച്ചിട്ട് like I am not fully trusting him for normal movie, yes, but not Ramayana. I don't know. ഞാൻ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല, मैंने देखा है, but people are not happy about it, what I've
Whoa.
heard.
Really?
Yeah.
Rudras Ramayana. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
ഞാൻ ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് രാമൻ വരുമ്പോൾ തൊഴണോ? Okay.
Nice.
Oh, okay. Oh my god.
Oh, wow. Damn.
Oh. Sai Pallavi. Pushpak Viman.
That was such a crazy ending, right?
Yeah,
To
later
not.
Pushpak
Yeah.
Viman.
Yeah. You'd think they'd show more. Oh, part 1 and part 2. Oh, of course, obviously, yeah. I was just thinking that only it's going to be like a long movie, but it's going to be a 2-part. Also, both a long movie, I think.
So it was released on Hanuman Jayanti. So I thought कि इसमें कुछ हनुमान का glimpse होगा, but it was Ram glimpse.
But Hanuman भी obviously will be
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was actually quite good. Music was. Yeah. The classic A.R. Rahman taking a big alap. You know? So good.
I also now understand.
What?
It's looks a lot of AI.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I can see that.
Yeah.
But I really liked the shots. Every
Yeah.
shot was very.
Yeah. So one of the memes I saw was 036 में. Look at the turban here, na.
Yeah. Oh wow,
It's
change हो गया
changing
color.
colour.
Oh wow.
तो
Color change हो रहा है इसका. Wow.
I work with a lot of AI. वो तो जनरल जैसे स्पीड है ना, just
Yeah.
वो like वो that is AI. That's how I can tell.
ये
भले
सब
ही
AI
उन्होंने-
में क्यों बना दिया?
भले
ये सब
शायद
तो असली में
उन्होंने-
बना सकते थे यार, लोगों को लगा सकते
I
थे.
think शायद उन्होंने I don't know AI बना के उसके ऊपर डेवलप करा होगा, like AI से एक बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर बना के, but people generally have a वो कि you know it's too much AI meaning too much VFX. Most of the shots are not real. VFX में भी तो the VFX are fine. VFX
Yeah.
तो ऐसा कुछ issue
ये
नहीं।
थोड़ा weird है ये shot 114
Yeah,
में.
that-
I don't know what it is about the writing
114.
and what it is.
The reveal was okay-ish.
Okay.
This looks green screen thoda.
Yeah, mostly.
The lighting is. not
And I like
lighting.
him as Ram though.
Yeah.
Let me just put that out there. I
Yeah.
mean, I do see that our chaitanyam, you know.
स्टार्टिंग में सब कंट्रोवर्सी हुआ था कि
Yeah.
रणबीर कपूर ईट्स बीफ एंड ऑल, मतलब वो स्टेक खाता है एंड ऑल दैट, वो सब एंड वो राम जी प्ले कर रहा है तो
Well, don't get me started on
Yeah.
who
Yeah,
eats
I wish-
non-veg and who does not.
yeah, but we don't care, man. You get the role, job done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
an
we got-
actor.
Yeah.
Acting.
Abraham Lincoln was played by a British guy. So Mahatma Gandhi was played by a British guy.
Acting.
That didn't put me to climax. So what I've decided is to show you one more Ramayana. Have you got a Rajamouli? SS Rajamouli?
Priyanka Chopra?
Yes. So
Prithviraj?
I know. So there's a new movie called Varanasi, and it is what seems to be is a time traveling mythological movie. उसमें महेश बाबू है and पृथ्वीराज is the villain. Yeah.
And this
Wow.
is new.
This is अभी 2-3 महीने हो गए.
हाँ.
तो इसमें this is not about रामायण, but it is सेट की महेश बाबू कुछ सेकंड के लिए एज अ लॉर्ड राम बन के आता है. और the music of this is M.M. Keeravani music. He's a fucking oldie, gets the job done. मतलब जैसे mythological बाहुबली सब वो तो हिट करता है. तो अब ये you guys, I want you to watch it.
ये रामायण नहीं है ये
नहीं है, it's a ऐसे इंडियाना जोन्स टाइप mythological time travel. I don't even know क्योंकि ये उससे भी छोटा ग्लिम्स है. अभी
So
देखोगे.
it's not ऐसा mythologically accurate नहीं है, but it's a mythology fiction type. It's not
Yeah.
like trap.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna-
तो इसमें
Like adapted.
yeah.
Okay.
तो you should man.
Yeah.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा भी है इसमें. प्रियंका चोपड़ा coming back to Bollywood, मतलब जनरल इंडियन इंडस्ट्री after a long time.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah.
That was actually very moving.
Crazy. और ये ट्रेलर भी नहीं है.
हाँ.
It's just a vibe, you know?
Yeah.
It's just the vibe.
Yeah.
You know, and it gave that, you know, it gave a grand feeling, right?
Yeah.
That it started so long ago, wala wo, it reaches, that story reaches you.
Yeah.
Wow.
म्यूजिक भी ऐसा सब बिल्ड हो रहा था.
Yeah, exactly. Wow, this is also quite nice. Also coming in 2027, dude.
Yeah.
Crazy year. For-
Yeah.
They didn't even show us Priyanka.
Yeah.
Like we don't need to show that.
Yeah.
Have you seen?
Oh wow, people are saying after Ramayana trailer, I want to refresh my mind.
Yes.
ये सब बोल रहे हैं चलो. Oh
Yeah.
shit.
I didn't want to do this, but like when after Ramayana, I think I needed the fresh, good one back in my memory.
I mean, I do like this better, but I did not hate the
Yeah.
trailer.
Huh.
It was okay. It was just the first
Yeah.
trailer, guys. Like,
It was
I think that's it.
Huh.
It was a different trailer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Simple.
Yeah.
तुमने पृथ्वीराज का लुक देखा है इसमें?
ये सब आ गया बाहर already.
हाँ, इनका एक एक करके लुक्स आया था.
But this movie could be something.
Even and when you look back, you know, Bahubali,
Yeah.
huge,
This
amazing.
is
Bahubali is so good.
This is Prithviraj look.
What the
He's
hell?
an evil Charles Xavier kind of. Yeah.
I don't know what.
Wow,
my character
I don't know
is.
exactly. I
Why?
don't know.
Right.
Wow, कुछ तो अजीब है ये, कुछ अलग मूवी है ये basically. Something's happening here.
Yeah.
You know, honestly, there's
Yeah.
some roles.
Yeah.
Prithviraj is just not it.
He should
For
just
some
let go.
roles. Yeah.
Like the calculator से calculate करने वाले calculator. Do you know which? If you know which movie this from, come below. You will be invited
Okay.
to our
This
reaction.
is Priyanka Chopra's glimpse from the movie.
Wow.
Yeah.
This I can see Priyanka.
Yeah.
So it's like
Killing it.
it's like a modern kind of a thing.
It's a
Basically,
time
it's a time
traveler,
trotter.
time
trotter. Yeah, that's what this. Yeah.
Wait.
They said that. Yeah.
Check. Australia.
खरीद
Actually,
लें,
अभी
वरना
I think
से खरीद लें.
अभी थी नहीं.
But Mahesh Babu looked nice.
Yeah.
He did.
He had the
Yeah.
He
hair.
did. Yeah.
Yeah. the second movie.
Wow, यार ये कुछ अलग मूवी है basically very
हाँ, this
interesting.
is
ये
the-
also ये मेरे को लग रहा है sci-fi है ये थोड़ा.
हाँ.
है ना?
Hmm.
Yeah, because they were showing that comet
Yeah.
जो भी आ रहा था. Yeah.
But man, Hans Zimmer and A.R. Rahman has
This is
has
gonna be-
nothing on M.M. Keeravani.
No, for sure. Like मुझे लगता है कि this ये म्यूजिक के लिए तो बहुत even movie, you know, it's going to be a good movie. I know that it's going to be still a good movie, you know.
अब वो it's a pressure on the Ramayana team. Everyone knows Ramayana. So
Yeah.
How will they show it different?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has to hit.
It has to
hit
hit.
the.
People समझ मोस्टली प्रॉब्लम की वो एनिमे वाला जो रामायण है उससे ऑलमोस्ट इन्होंने करने की कोशिश करी है काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा विच आई गेट जो ये लड़ाई वाले सीन है ये जो डीमन सब आते हैं वो उस एनिमे में थोड़ा सा है ऐसे ही
Honestly, I wasn't a big fan of ladai wala scene.
Yeah.
It looks very.
Yeah. रणबीर कपूर इज apparently doing 2 roles in this. I think परशुराम का भी रोल कर रहा है ये मैंने सुना बट आई डोंट yeah.
Unnecessary.
Why?
It's a little unnecessary. Because if you're giving a lead role,
हाँ.
then you should not. But you know what?
Yep.
You do you, boo.
You do. ठीक है. Please guys,
अच्छा.
you can decide in the comment section which one was better and if
Yeah.
you like this versus kind of
Thing.
reaction.
And if so, then if you had to choose which one to watch, which of these two would you watch? Even though I know it's like probably different movies altogether.
Yeah.
But yeah, let us know. Okay. If you like this video, like the video and let us know. Guys, see you.